An essential lens if ever there was one. AF-S Nikkor 50mm f1 8-gram Nikon, the classic normal length prime, featuring a bright maximum aperture and lightweight design, corresponding to the natural field of view. The 50mm focal length is well suited for a wide variety of subjects. From landscape to portraiture, the f1.8 design suits working in difficult lighting conditions and also enables controlling the focus position for using shallow depth of field techniques. One aspherical element is featured in the optical design to minimize spherical aberrations. High sharpness and accurate rendering. A super-integrated coating also suppresses flare and ghosting for improved contrast and color accuracy. Additionally, the silent wave motor affords fast, quiet, and precise autofocus performance as well as full-time manual focus override. One aspherical element is used to greatly reduce spherical aberrations and distortion in order to achieve high sharpness, clarity, and accurate rendering. Super-integrated coating has been applied to lens elements to minimize surface and internal reflections for a marked reduction in lens flare and highlights. F-mount lens or F format. Aperture range f1.8 to f16. One aspherical element. Super-integrated coating. Silent wave motor AF system. Rounded 7-blade diaphragm.